What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 more pretty cool gadgets I found online. Let's see what I got this time. This is a pen for your wallet. Check this out. You stick it in, fits good, but then you fold it like this and you can write with it. That's why it has under the angle. So fold it this way or this way, no problem. And then you unfold it, remove the replacement and put it back in, and again it will fit into the wallet, no problem. Outward Rope have created a new rope organizer. This is 100 feet, this is 50 feet, and whatever the smaller rope right here. But for paracord, this is the biggest changes. Right here you can put fishing kit or whatever. On this one it does not have an arm, so you don't want to lose it, but the compartment is the same, so that's kind of nice that you don't have to worry about they losing the cup. Also it has this side here and rear arm, and that's pretty much it. Let's see, where's the right here. I guess you can unfold it. You just get the rope that you need, and then you grab it like this and cut it off, and any extra you just pinch it out here, and the carabiner, close it. So now there's a 3 option: large, medium and small. And for the small, this one has a miniature, where is it, miniature big lighter can go in, or smaller fishing kit, whatever, same thing, pinch right here. Love these options. There's another design popped up on Amazon. I don't know what that is. This is a little Ballison pry bar. So this is not sharp, but it will be sharp enough to cut through the tape or the box. And it is a bottle opener. A bit too big for pocket carry. I'd say too heavy. I wish it was in titanium, but it's pretty fidgety. I'd say it's really good for my bar area for bottle opening, or next to where I receive my boxes and opening that stuff. Pretty fun, beautiful design. I come across this cool collectible cards, playing cards, regular ones, and this one is Atlantis and only limited to 3,333. And check this out, you open it this way and it's displays like this way or this way, kind of beautiful. There's art, and half a deck will be in here, so beautiful. So there you go. I think it's a really cool present for my wife. She into Atlantis and books and all that kind of stuff. Will be looking good into her. And remember this portable Bluetooth speaker? We love this one. It looks cool and it actually sounds cool. There you go. So there is actual bass and the speaker, and now I got a little fan for it. So this is, I don't know, does it open? Yes it does. So you can plug it in. It also comes with the base, and this ears movable. It's pretty cool. And so you plug it in and it's charging this or other things, USB-Cs. Very cool. So now it has a little friend
ready to pair.
There you go. Check out this windproof camping stove. So you open it up when it's not windy, but at any time I think it's important to concentrate all of the heat into the pot. And it's kind of holding it slightly. Oh yeah, forgot. There's legs in here too. So it'll be actually very steady. But yeah, really satisfying. I tested it. I actually boiled water, 32 ounces in just 8 minutes, so that's cool. Look how powerful that is, and I used it on maximum. That's incredible. Got it here, new citrus cutter, but this one is for the grapefruit especially. So there's a little line right here, you slide it in and cut it. Just go like this all the way down, and whenever you open it, oh look, there's a seed in there. I think we did good. Let's see. Kind of slightly awkward right here. Almost did it all the way. There you go. Look how well it peeled it. and now all of the good stuff without this thick peel. You can eat it all. It's gonna be delicious. That's how you eat grapefruit. Let's try this one more time. That one was kind of big. Okay, because nothing. Okay, this one should be good. No? Get the middle better. There you go. You can go a couple of times. And yeah, this time it peeled even better. Kind of first time was a practice. Look at that. Delicious without a peel. Levitating pan. Let's see what it's all about. Slightly different. Boom. Fits in there really good. And then take it out, use it, plug it back in. This is perfect for any office. Gonna have to use 2 hands. And also without the whatever that cover, it will kind of work too, but it'll have to stand up. If you knock it off, it will actually fall. But with this one, it will not knock off. You kind of can heat it hard, put it back in, use it. I don't know, you could kind of use it one-handed. Take it off, use it, plug it back in. I got this thing on Amazon. This is so strange. Let's see how it works. So you get yourself a milk carton and attach this cup. It's kind of fits, kind of not. I don't know. There you go. So we got that here. Cow. And then we can add on milk like this, and half, leaking a little bit. I don't know, that's so hilarious. Looks like 3D printed. I might just stick to the cup. A new bottle opener, one of a kind. Check this out. So looks like is there a cutter in here? I don't think so. There you go, there's a cutter and bottle opener, so we could just cut this open. Let's see how this works. You plug it in, lift it up, and then just spin it. And it's going to drive it down and pull it out. Just like that. Wow. And then you're going to spin it the other way. Wow, that is very easy. Boom. And then close it back up. I wish it was out of metal, feels like out of plastic, but it was 15 bucks. Got it here, one of a kind measuring cup. So this is a cup, half a cup, 1/3, 1/4, and 0 to clean it. So let's do, I don't know, like maybe 1/4. That's enough. And it is designed for something like honey. Okay, sometimes the recipe will call for honey. Boom. That's full. That's it. And then whenever you add on to something, most of the honey will stay. Look how much honey. It is so slow. So you, oh, the other way. You put it all the way out on 0, and then you get a spatula and take it all out. Super easily. You're not going to mess up your recipe. All of the honey or any kind of syrup, kind of thick liquids, maybe condensed milk, will be easy to use. That's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.